there, everyone. Welcome to Wim's Kitchen. It's Sunday morning in the kitchen, and I am your girl, Norleen, with another of Jamaica's finest cooking experience. I invite you to come along with me while I do for you blackened salmon, Jamaican style. Alright guys, so to do my blackened seasoning, I have on the plate some thyme, some oregano. I have some tropical seasoning, and this is to add color to the salmon. I have my Creole seasoning. I'm using some garlic salt and some black pepper. Alright guys, so my salmon is already seasoned and it has been marinating for a few hours now. So basically what I'm going to do with this is to add some melted butter. I have about 2 tablespoons of melted butter. I'm going to mix this all in. Alright, so I'm going to add a little bit more pepper to this. Alright, so I'm cutting up some Scotch bonnet pepper to add a little more flavor. I'm just going to add about half a teaspoon of soy sauce to this and a little bit of olive oil. Stir this in. Alright, so I'm now going to add the salmon. The food for thought comes to us from Psalms 56 and verse 3, and it says, "When I am afraid, I would put my trust in you." The message for you today is that trust and confidence in the Lord is the best antidote against fear. For about 20 minutes to marinate, let all the blackened seasoning get into the fish, and then I'll come back and show you the next step to this awesome blackened salmon. Remember to subscribe to my channel. Turn on the post notification so as soon as I upload a video, you will be notified. Give me some thumbs up, guys. Let me know that you're enjoying my channel. Share my channel with your friends and invite them too to subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Wim's Kitchen and like my Facebook page, Walking in My Mother's Shoe. Alright guys, so I'm gonna put some jerk season. It's the Walker's Wood Jamaican jerk season, hot and spicy. I'm gonna add a tablespoon of that to the season. I'm just gonna run the coating over it one more time before I put them in the frying pan. So guys, this is after 20 minutes. It has been marinating. So I just rub on the coating of the jerk seasoning. I want it mainly on the skin part, so that is why I'm adding it after. I just want a thick layer on that, and then I get ready to sear my salmon. I'm gonna add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Allow this to warm up, almost smoking hot. Now guys, the trick about not getting my seasoned oil burn on the skin part of my salmon is after I put it in, I will lower the flame to medium high and I will cook it at about 3 minutes or 4 minutes on either side. And then guys, I'm gonna take it out and then I'm gonna show you how I finish it off. So guys, so the oil is ready. It's changing color, and I'm gonna add this inside down. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna turn over my salmon, and I'm using 2 spoons to help me to turn it over. Yeah, that's nice brown color on the outside. Nice. Alright, so this is all done and it's looking great. So I'm just gonna put these on a baking pan. I'm just gonna make a little sauce. Add to the oil. Finely chop onion and garlic. Add some butter to this. I'm just gonna add a little bit of cooking wine, and I'm just gonna allow my sauce to come together. Alright, so I've added some lemon juice to this. This looks perfectly good. Already set my oven at 375 degrees. Spoon it. I had to make some more sauce for the fish, so I'm just gonna add that. Stick it in the oven, and then if it work out, people, me tell them when you're doing, me tell them about it, right? So we'll look at what's going on. Wow, this looks good. Turn your oven and broil and place in the oven for 2 minutes. Alright, so just checking on my salmon, and it's looking good. Yeah, it's all done. It was my pleasure doing for you blackened salmon with a Jamaican twist, served on a bed of tomatoes with steamed plantain, corn, and cucumber. It's another of my favorite from my pot onto my daughter's table. Thank you for coming along with me on my cooking journey.